As part of his police and crime plan, the Commissioner encourages face-to-face interaction between the police and the public and wants to see local officers using opportunities within the community to interact and engage. As such, the Commissioner and his engagement team have been travelling throughout the force area to meet and engage with local communities. During these community engagement days, the Commissioner spends time discovering firsthand the policing needs of that community. This assists him to scrutinise whether the Chief Constable and his officers are delivering an efficient and effective police service for the community. If questions are raised or dissatisfaction shared, they are followed up with the Chief Constable or local senior officers. The Commissioner takes a huge amount of pride in passing on any compliments regarding local policing to ensure that best practice is shared and officers receive the recognition they deserve. These days are also a great opportunity to find out about the invaluable work undertaken by local organisations and charities, some of whom had received funding through the Commissioner's Community Fund. It is encouraging to be able to see firsthand the difference this funding really makes in local communities. Alongside the ongoing work of the Commissioner's Youth Forum, the Commissioner listens to the views of as many young people as possible across the Dyfed-Powys area so that their voice becomes an intrinsic part of his decision-making process. In March 2020, he had the opportunity to talk to some of the youth ambassadors at a youth conference, which he hopes will be a catalyst to further meaningful work with our young people, helping to inform the delivery of both policing and health services.
Some months ago, I commissioned University Trinity St David's and Hafan Cymru to do a piece of research and engagement with young people in order for us to ensure that young people had a voice to influence me as the Police and Crime Commissioner, but also to work with Llywelyn Health Board, who have been a partner in this project. And we're here tonight at Parc Yscalets to see some of the findings from that report and to report back to some of the key stakeholders involved with young people across the whole of the Dyfed-Powys area. It's fantastic to see so many people that have come here to Llanelli this evening to be a part of this event and a culmination really of months of real hard work.
A key part of the role of Police and Crime Commissioner is to hold the Chief Constable to account for the effective delivery of police services. One of the various ways this is done is through the Policing Accountability Board, a public meeting which is held on a quarterly basis and is an opportunity for the Commissioner to publicly scrutinise the work of the force in the presence of the Chief Officers of Dyfed-Powys Police and the public. To make our work as transparent and as accessible as possible, we now run a Facebook Live meeting after every meeting, which allows people to ask specific questions to the Commissioner and Mark Collins, the Chief Constable, from the comfort of their home. To view all of our annual report videos and to read the Commissioner's report in full, please go to our website